Meaning of gluttonous.
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 Gluttonous. The term gluttonous refers to a person who is excessively fond of eating and drinks to excess. This term is often used to describe individuals who indulge in food and drink without showing any restraint or moderation. People who are gluttonous often eat more than they need and can suffer from health problems as a result. They may also have difficulty controlling their urges and may engage in binge eating or drinking behaviors. Overall, being gluttonous is considered an unhealthy and undesirable habit that should be avoided in order to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle.